Welcome back to the All Seasons channel. Today I'm going to be working on a water heater. Hey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Oh, a big old sore thumbs up. Yeah, I smashed that thing the other day. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Let me back up a little bit and leave me a comment. Criticisms, concerns. Tell me how that you would do this repair. If your water heater is sitting up like this is the video for you. As you can see, it's burning pretty dirty. I'm hoping it's just dirty and just needs cleaned. Hopefully there's nothing really too much wrong with the water heater. Now, this is a manual valve water heater. It is not an automatic ignition. As far as cleaning it, to make it burn cleaner, that is all the same. The only difference is this one does have a pilot light, actually has a pilot light. But other than that, you know, it's like I say, if your water heater's sitting up, clean this burner tube and stuff, should cure that. So that's what I'm going to show you. It's going to be really hard to video and not be in the way. But take this screw out of this air adjustment. Take the screw out that holds the pilot light assembly in. I'm gonna have to go get, yeah, having one bad thumb makes things tough. I gotta go get a ratchet. That's just hard to do with a bad thumb. All right, since this is a manual valve, I'm going to attempt to get these two lines out of the bottom of this valve, gas valve, so that I can get this whole assembly off and take it over to the truck and take it all apart, take the pilot light and all that apart. Well, what do you know? These actually came out. It don't always happen easily. One's the little gas. I'll show you here in just a second. The one is for the gas line for the pilot light, and the other one is your thermocoupler. Because they're also, not only is this thing just burning severely dirty, but it's also, the pilot lights won't stay lit. So if I have a right thermocoupler, I will probably actually change the thermocoupler on this thing too. Just see if it'll work. So I'm hoping it's not a bad valve, because if it is, I'm not sure they're available. I ordered one this summer that took me like 3 months to get. So I'm going to set this aside for a minute. So I want to take this orifice out and check it also. The orifice is clean. Don't ever put anything in a gas orifice other than air. That's all. We'll just go ahead and put that back in so we don't lose it. It's a tiny little thing. Snug that up. Now we're going to take this over to the truck and finish disassembling it and see what we can do with it. I always just keep this hanging in the truck. It's just a little piece of rag tied onto a piece of wire. I run this through these burner tubes to get spider webs or anything that might be in there. There's all kinds of stuff falling out of there. Dead bugs. Lots and lots of dead bugs. It doesn't take much to disrupt the gas flow in the burner tube, and it'll cause it to soot up like that. Alright, let's see all that soot built up on that. Try and get this pilot light assembly apart, because there's another orifice in there that I need to check. So we'll see. Sometimes this stuff does not like to come apart. Wow, must be our lucky day. Everything thus far is coming apart pretty well. That little bitty orifice, and you talk about tender. This thing's just made out of like aluminum foil, and the hole looks like it's about the size of a human hair. So I'm just going to blow through this. I don't even think, yeah, you can't even take it off the little tube to even look through it. So I think it'd crimp it on. So I'm just going to blow through it with my mouth. It's about all I can do, really. Like I say, you can't put anything in that orifice. I've got torch tip cleaners in the truck, but you cannot do that. You can't even tell whether you get any air through it or not, because that hole is so small. Well, that's all we can do on that. I'm going to see if I have a thermocoupler, because I think we're going to change it. Let me dig into my old box of water heater parts and see what I got. I have a universal one. I think we might try that one. It's not very long, and it's 18 inch. Whew, holy crap, I only probably need 10 inch one. I got a 36 inch. What in the world would that be for? Got another 18. I got a 24 inch. Huh. Well, I do have this one. That looks like a brand new one. It's the right length. I think we'll try that one. I don't know what its dealio is, but it was in my box. Like I say, it looks brand new. So I don't know. We're gonna try it. Make sure the ends are right. Yep. I believe that will work. I believe this one should just twist out. I think it's just a friction fit. I don't want to tear this one up. Well, I finally found something that wouldn't come apart, so I'm not going to tear it up. Blew through the pilot tube. Now we're just going to reassemble it. Make sure our orifice is on there. There's a little air hole there when it's clear. So just make sure it's clear. Okay, we're gonna go reassemble. See what it does. Slide our air adjustment up on there. Now, I'll tell you, these little fittings in the bottom of this valve sometimes are a whole lot easier to get out than they are to get in. So you got to be super careful not to cross thread these little brass fittings with super fine threads. It is so easy to cross thread this stuff. It would be so easy to have my other thumb too. Oh man, sometimes it can be really tough to get this stuff started. And then when it does start, it's like, ugh, that was easy. That's got to be it. I remember right, this one came out hard pretty much all the way. Yeah, we got that one started. All right, let's see what we can do with the thermocoupler now. Yay, I think we got that one too. After much effort. Yeah, we got it. Snug these up now. Get our two screws back. Get our screw here first. Holds the burner assembly to the tube of the water heater. All right, let's see if she'll light. Lit right up. Gonna have to kind of block the wind a little bit. It's a little bit windy today. All right, pilot light stayed lit. Main flame. The heat's coming out where it's supposed to, so I know the inside of the water heater burner tube's in pretty good shape. Now we need to adjust this air thingy here to get a nice blue flame. I think that's going to be it. A little hold down screw back in it. Nice blue flame now, so it shouldn't be sooting up anymore. Now whether the pilot light stays lit, I don't know. The pilot light looks pretty good, so I can only assume that it'll be all right. So there you have it. There's cleaning your burner tube on your water heater on your RV. Say as far as just that main burner tube, cleaning it, making it quit sooting up. That's any gas-fired water heater on a RV. Same deal. You just need to clean. Chances are that burner tube's got dead bugs or spiders or something in it, and they'll usually keep them from sooting up. Now we'll just have to wait and see if the pilot light's going to stay lit. If not, we might have to try and get them a valve. Hopefully one's available. So hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big sore thumbs up. Subscribe, comment, all that stuff, and I'm going to go down the road and fix another one, and y'all have a fantastic day.